Believe it or not, there once was a time when Microsoft's MS-DOS, or Microsoft Disk Operating System, was at the forefront of the computing world. Diving into the annals of tech history, we unearth an intriguing fact. MS-DOS, the backbone of many an early PC, wasn't actually developed by Microsoft. Instead, it was purchased from a Seattle-based company, Seattle Computer Products, for a mere $50,000. MS-DOS was a command-line-based operating system, meaning that it relied on text commands to execute functions. This was in stark contrast to other operating systems of the time such as Apple's macOS and the Unix operating system, which had begun to incorporate graphical user interfaces or GUIs. However, it is worth noting that MS-DOS was not without its merits. Its simplicity and efficiency made it a perfect fit for the hardware of the time, which was significantly less powerful than what we have today. On the other hand, operating systems with GUIs required a lot more computing power and were slower as a result. Another noteworthy difference was the focus of these operating systems. Unix was primarily used in the academic and scientific community, while macOS was marketed towards the general public, with an emphasis on user-friendliness. MS-DOS, on the other hand, aimed to strike a balance between the two, catering to both business and personal use. Now let's talk about IBM's role in all this. IBM, or International Business Machines, was a tech giant that was on the hunt for an operating system for its upcoming personal computer. They approached Microsoft, who provided them with MS-DOS. This partnership with IBM gave Microsoft an enormous boost, as IBM's personal computers became wildly popular, and with them, so did MS-DOS. From these humble beginnings, Microsoft began to develop its own GUI, which would come to be known as Windows. Windows was initially just an extension of MS-DOS, a graphical shell if you will, but it would gradually evolve into a full-fledged operating system in its own right. The legacy of MS-DOS is still felt today, with elements of it still present in the Windows operating system. The command prompt, for example, is a direct descendant of MS-DOS and is a powerful tool in the hands of those who know how to wield it. In conclusion, while MS-DOS may seem like a relic of the past, its influence on the world of computing is undeniable. It was a stepping stone that allowed Microsoft to transition into the world of graphical interfaces, and without it, the PC landscape as we know it today might look very different. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes, simplicity and efficiency can trump flashy features, and that the underdog can indeed come out on top. So here's to Microsoft Disk Operating System, the little operating system that changed the world of computing.